Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fake, I want you to stay. If you're in the mood.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nia Rahminata Andria. I am from Bukit Tinggi State Islamic University postgraduate. On this occasion, I will review the article titled The Development of Hadith Study in Islamic Boarding School and Islamic Education in Indonesia. Number one, abstract. This study explore the significance of hadith as source of Islamic teaching in Indonesia, focusing on its study in Islamic boarding school and Islamic higher education. While Islamic boarding school emphasizes understanding the content of hadith text, using traditional books like Riyadh al-Salihin and Sahih al-Bukhari. Higher education institution priorities methodological mastery, including sanad and matan research methodology with a broader range of reference materials. Next, research method. This research included in library and field research, literature research, because the main source in this study were obtained from the extensive literature. On the other hand, the research also conducted interview with several teachers at State Islamic University to find out the curriculum in the study of hadith. Therefore, the research included this type on field research. The research used a descriptive analytical approach to describe and map the different tendencies of the two institutions. Next, finding and discussion. Conducted as field research, the study utilized interview, observation, and documentation to collect data, which was analyzed qualitative phenomenological approach. The findings indicate distinct tendencies in hadith study between Islamic boarding school and university, highlighting the need to map the these difference to enhance the comprehensive understanding of the Prophet Hadith. Number one, Hadith of History of Hadith Study Program in PTKIN Environment. The History of Hadith Study Programs in Indonesia Islamic Territory Institution reflects a growing emphasis on Islamic science since the establishment of the Islamic College in Indonesia. Hadith has been a core subject, particularly with the Faculty of Husuluddin. Over the years, institutions like the State Islamic Institution evolved into State Islamic University and State Islamic High School. Next, as highlighted by Azumardi Azra, who noted a scarcity of doctoral research on hadith compared to other Islamic study areas. Despite this challenge, hadith study continued to program including complementary research on living sunnah, introduction by Win Sunan Kalijaga, which has been incorporated into university curricula. B. History of Hadith Studies in boarding school, Islamic boarding school. The History of Hadith Study Program in Indonesia Islamic Territory Institution reflects a growing emphasis on Islamic science. Since the establishment of the Islamic College, Hadith has been a core subject, particularly with the Faculty of Usuluddin. Over the years, institutions like the State Islamic Institute evolved into State Islamic University, State Islamic High School. Despite tense challenge, Hadith studies continue to program, including contemporary research on Living Sunnah introduction by Winston Kalijaga, which has been incorporated into university curricula. Next, the history Hadith in Islamic boarding school highlights their significant role disseminating Islamic teaching in Indonesia. Initially, Hadith study were not a distinct subject in pesantren, as noted by research like Van der Burg and Martin van Brutnesen, who observed that pure Hadith was often integrated into other subjects, particularly fiqh. However, the renewal movement and modernization the emergence of Hadith as a separative field of study. Kiai Mahfud Termas played an pivotal role. Al-Bukhari Hadith study by teaching Sahih Al-Bukhari, practically founder development Hashim Ash'ari. Common methods for teaching Hadith include slogan, bodongan, and debilation, with notable institutions like Libero and Kediri using both sons Fat al-Qarib al-Bidiyah. The tendency of Hadith study in pesantren, higher and higher education. In Indonesia, primarily concentrated in Java, Banten, and East Java, this institution vary from traditional to modern style. Traditional Islamic boarding school focus on classic texts and non-formal education, while modern ones integrating formal schooling. The role of pesantren in studying Hadith is significant, although historically Hadith was not this subject until key texts used for teaching include Riyad al-Salihin, Al-Arba'in, Al-Nawawiyah, and Sahih al-Bukhari. Teaching methods often involve bodongan where a key reads to students. However, the study of primary Hadith texts and Christim are less common, particularly among your students. In Korat State Islamic University, over a broader curriculum in Hadith study, including courses on Hadith science, Christim, and various interdisciplinary approaches like sociology and anthropology. Their curriculum is there and more contemporary compared to Islamic boarding school, focused on adapting Hadith study to correct socialism. Difference in Hadith between pesantren and higher education in institutions reflect their respective educational goals. Pesantren emphasizing particular religious knowledge. This is different studying understand and ability to engage with Hadith critically, highlighting the need for actually science in both settings. This study explored the significance of Hadith as a source of Islamic teachings in Indonesia, focusing on its study in Islamic boarding school and Islamic higher education, while pesantren emphasized understanding the content of Hadith texts using traditional books like Riyad al-Salihin and Sahih al-Bukhari. Higher education institutions prioritize methodological mastery, including sanad and matan, research methodology with a broader range of reference materials. Counted as field research, the study utilizes interview, observation, and documentation to college which was analyzed qualitatively through a phenomenological approach. The findings in this tendencies in Hadith study between pesantren and university highlight the need to map this difference to enhance the comprehensive understanding of the Prophet Hadith. Next, conclusion. Hadith study in Islamic boarding school and university in Indonesia exhibited distinct tendencies, particularly in the curricula and literature. And in pesantren, Hadith is often used primarily as supplementary material in other subjects like fiqh, tasawwuf, and creed with texts such as Arba'in al-Nawawi being borrowed for thesis accessible, contents, and comprehensive coverage of various Islamic topics. In contrast, higher education institutions focus on methodological innovation in Hadith study, included specialist programs that cover systems of sanad and matan. However, they do not typical conduct in-depth study of individual primary Hadith texts, opening instead to concentrate on broader issues and contemporary phenomena. Okay, thank you so much. Hope it is useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.